All of your projects in Pictory are under My Project. You can go back to any of the projects to edit, export, download, or duplicate them. On the left side, you can find the option to start a new project. This will take you to a page where you need to choose which starting point you want to use, from script, video, blog post, or documents from your computer. Back to the My Product tab, on the left side, you can also create folders to organize all of your projects. You can organize them by customer if you work as a freelancer, or you can create folders based on the topics or types of projects. When you name the project, give them names that you will remember and find later. On the main screen, you can see all the projects you have. On the side, you can search by the name of the project or by the date of creation. When you click on a project, you have option to manage it. There is an option to check projects for deleting in bulk. You can click on the icon to duplicate a project or click on Move to transfer the project to a folder. If you don't have folders, it will prompt you to create one. You can also delete the project. If you exported the project already, you will have also an icon to download everything. Clicking on the image of the project will take you to another folder where you have all of the project assets. If you want to go back to the main folder of that project, you can click on the arrow on the top left. If you exported the project, you can download it from here. Pictory gives you files for any assets you created in the project. I like it because it allows you to create something here and use it in another ways. For example, if you recorded a voiceover directly to the project, you can download that and upload it as MP3 file for a podcast or similar use. You also get a text file, which is the transcription or the highlighted version of the video. There's also a story tab where the captions of the video are created. If you didn't export the project, you only have the project file and you need to open the project to export the video. When you download the file, also keep them organized on your computer and give the folders the same names you gave them on Pictory.